Hey, first graders, welcome to another math lesson. So last week we talked about three-dimensional shapes, and those are the ones that have the substance that I can put things inside of, our cone, our sphere, our cube, our cylinder, things like that. This week we are going flat, and we are going two-dimensional shapes. So as you can see on the screen right now, this that you're seeing is an assignment that you're going to have to do today. And I want to go through a little bit of how to do this so that you don't get lost. So I am going to open up a sketch pad right here. And we're going to draw some shapes, and I'm going to show you how I can find shapes within shapes and how I can use shapes to make new ones. So, for example, if I have a trapezoid, and I want to see how many triangles are in this trapezoid. Okay, so we are looking for triangles. I could take my pencil and I can make lines. Now remember, Miss J is not the best artist to see how many triangles I have here. So I have 1, 2, 3 triangles. So how many triangles do I have? I have 3. Oh, whoops, I'm on erase for some reason. I have 3 triangles. There we go. What if I want to see how many triangles I have in here? How many triangles do I have? We'll put the triangle right here. And I can take this and I can make a line. And I can go, 1, 2. I have 2 triangles in my diamond. I had 3 triangles in my trapezoid. I had 2 triangles in my diamond. Very good. Okay. All right. Now what if I am given, and I'm going to warn you right now, this is probably the hardest shape for Miss J to draw. The dreaded hexagon. Okay, what if I want to see how many triangles, we'll just stick with triangles, how many triangles are in this hexagon? I like to start by dividing it in half, okay? I have now made 2 trapezoids, so for future reference, how many trapezoids are in a hexagon? 2. Now, then I can use my knowledge from before to make my triangles. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles in a hexagon. But what if they give me other shapes and they say, okay, we want you to make a new shape with these shapes that we just gave you? Then what do I do? Well, I put them together. Now, if you're looking at when you're looking at your assignment, it'll give you some shapes, and there are some shapes on the page. You can move those shapes to make that new shape, okay? You do not have to just let them sit there. You can move them and make the new shape. But if I were drawing this, let's say I'm given 2 squares and I get told make a new shape. Well, if I put these 2 squares next to each other, what shape did I get? I got a rectangle, right? Nice. Okay, what if I am given two diamonds? What new shape could I make? I could make a diagonal rectangle, right? There's a diamond, there's a diamond. So there's one option. I could make something like this, right? So there are different options for shapes that you can make. Now remember, if I'm given 2 trapezoids, what can I make? And if I'm given 6 triangles, what can I make? So there are some options, like I said, right here on this page that you're seeing, that you can see my cursor on. You can draw in lines if you want. There's a lovely little line tool right here that you can use to put lines on things. You can also move these shapes, and if you click on them, there's this little blue dot right here that allows you to turn the shape, and you can move those shapes so that you can make a new shape. So good luck with your math today, and I will see you again for another math lesson. Bye, friends.